Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. Let's continue with different conversational topics, offering help between Sandra and Jim. You look stressed. Is everything okay with you? I'm a bit concerned with the forthcoming project. There is a lot to take care about. I have been through similar situations quite often. Would you like me to help you? That would really be a good support. Are you sure you can spare some time? I can definitely. What's the most challenging task you anticipate? The client presentation is due tomorrow, and I wonder how to accomplish it on time. Let's tackle it together. We can equally divide the work. What's your idea? That sounds perfect. I'd like to express my thanks for offering your help. The next one is about handling a car breakdown. My car broke down on the highway. Could you please tell me what should I do now? First, make sure that you are safe. Pull the car over the shoulder area and turn on your hazard lights. And don't panic. Should I call a tow truck now? Yes, call a tow truck or look for roadside assistance. Do you possess with their contact number? Yes, I have saved on my phone. Good. Also, you should stay in your car and wait unless the help arrives. Tell me what to do if I don't have a roadside assistance plan. You can always call a local tow truck company. How long does it normally take for a tow truck to arrive? It depends upon the distance where you are stuck up, but usually within 30 minutes or a little beyond. Do you think I should contact my insurance company? Yes, do let them know about the breakdown in case you need a rental car. Will my insurance cover the towing costs? It depends on your policy terms. You had better check with your insurance provider. What if I need repairs? The tow truck can take your car to a nearest mechanic. Thanks for your timely help. You're welcome. Stay safe.